Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Tate. I'm going to just show you a really quick um, video to show you how to log into iExcel. You're actually already members, so you're never going to need to create a membership or an account. It's already done for you because you are part of PVA. So first, you're going to click on the Sign In button, and when you click on the Sign In button, Sign in brings you to this screen, and instead of clicking anything here or typing, you can do a shortcut and come to sign in here. Do you see this down here lighting up as I'm clicking it, kind of underlining it as I scroll over it? Click, and then it will say sign in with Clever. Well, it's trying to sign me in as a teacher because I'm a teacher, but all you have to do is put sign in with Clever up here. You don't have to put anything in the boxes below because you're already in Clever, and it is going to take you directly there. If it brings you to this page, you'll click the boxes, and again, it's Clever, and it'll bring you right into the assignment. When you get there, you can also click, you might have an option to save it while you're up here, but all you have to do is click on that word sign in and then sign in with PVA, sign in with Clever, and it will sign you in automatically.